Hi guys, we are in our beautiful island Jamaica. Oh, no, see the breeze? Oh
see the
gosh.
breeze? You can't see the breeze, you feel the breeze.
No, they must see the breeze and can't feel it. You wrong. They are seeing it on the camera by how they are seeing it. The trees are blowing. So they are seeing.
Oh, they see the leaf moving because of the action of the breeze.
They are not in Jamaica, they can't feel the breeze anyway. Maybe they can't feel the breeze, they are not in Jamaica.
People feel the breeze, but I understand what you're saying.
Okay, alright guys, so we are approaching, what's the name of this place?
Fakes pen.
Fakes Pen. So we're gonna show you.
Famous Fakes pen.
Famous. I think the people there, they were at somewhere before they moved them. So this is it. Take your time. I mean, the shop is not occupied. Some of the shop is not occupied, man. Some of the shop is not occupied. Whoa. So you can get your jerk. This is Fakes Pen. When you come Jamaica, you can get your jerk. Yeah, drive too fast, baby. But a lot of the shop, what I noticed, guys, a lot of the shop is not occupied. And babes is going so fast. Slow down at this man here. Let me see if he can. No, you can go.
Something wrong with that, I can't be there.
No.
You can get your roast breadfruit, your jerk chicken, jerk pork, roast yam, everything, guys. Roast salt fish. So we are now leaving. We're heading to Montego Bay and we're on the main. So here we go. Guys, just showing you a view of the cow pasture, right? Wow, there's a lot of cow. Watch them eating. Oh my, it's a lot of them, guys. Man, is that a white cow? I can't see it. It's big. Look at that, guys. A lot of cow. Let me zoom in. I think I see a white one though, babes.
It's a horse.
Oh, it's a horse. Because I've never seen a white cow, right?
Yeah, white cow.
Oh. No. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. It's a lot of them, man. This cow pasture is really big though. So we call out here. Oh my lord, it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. Look at that big one. Look at that big mother. Oh, she look like she's pregnant though. She does look pregnant. Look at that. She is pregnant.
Yeah, I said.
She is pregnant. So this is a pan, guy. You see how that is so green and luscious.
The water, the cow them also.
Yeah, the cows them drink water from it. Whoa. And it is so, oh my, wow. So guys, just showing you the great house. This is it. That's the great house. Let me zoom in. Hope you are seeing it good enough. So that's the great house, right? And you have several little small dwellings. Babes, they need to come to the camera. And I think I see a pan. Is that a pan, right? That is referred to as a pan because I passed some more cow down the, see, yeah, see even one there. And that's where they drink the water from the pan. So like fish growing at these things, probably the cow that eats it. This is pretty though. The green, luscious. I love nature, guys. I love nature. So Hosie's moving on. And you have several little dwellings, right? Take your time now, man. Guys, this is referred to as Bolo Walk in a Jamaica. I remember this thing here. In babes, Bolo Walk.
They go to people on Christmas season time to clean up the place.
So guys, as we were mentioning about the Bolo Walk, yeah man, I remember my mother used to do Bolo Walk, but it's not outside of where we used to live. It is inside the community. So when I saw the people them on the roads cutting and sweeping, and I'm like, I remember this thing here. Mommy used to do it. And babes, what you say you remember about Bolo Walk?
Well, you only have to say thank God for Christmas, because this is one opportunity where you get the road to clean up.
To clean up, right.
Get some of the
You see those
politicians
big
money.
bag? They clean up the road and they put the stuff in the bag
The rubbish truck come by and pick it up.
and pick it up, right.
And then the politician get a little chopans.
What you call it? A little chupans? Okay, so this is beautiful, 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 beautiful Jamaica. So we are on our way, and we will keep giving you little clips as we make our way down. Oh, I can see the sea. Yeah. Oh.
Straight ahead.
Oh my. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Jamaica.
And pretty.
Yeah, them pretty. How much of price is this? Wow, oh God, the one I couldn't eat. This one ripe, you know. But some eat it out. What eat it out, bird?
Oh, yeah, it's a bird pick out that one.
Whoa, so show me. No want one ripe one to eat.
And this I only ripe one.
No bird one.
The other one then good.
I want to drink sour sap. It's all right, babes.
About 2 days time and then ripe all this one well fit. This one.
Not too big. I want to make me some big one like this. You know, I just want something like this to eat.
Yes, no.
None of them, all of them green.
Yeah.
Oh. And then we can't chance with that one.
Try.
What is this?
And even 5 days.
I don't know.
You. I need to go to the country, I take care of and pick off the bird.
So when you lock it up in the house?
Yeah, just wrap it up in a 2 newspaper.
No, I don't lock it up a country. We don't live down that side.
Alright.
I just go down for running moon and I pass and see the flowers up them. I just want one to eat, but apparently not a ripe one. This don't look like it's a ripe.
And be by people who sauce up and
I'm
attack
pass
about
sauce up them guys.
fruits.
The road is so nice and pretty clean. Thank God for Christmas. For the people them to really get the little bolo walk. Because I know it probably helped them out a lot. The road clean, man. But the road them always clean, you know, guys.
Bushy.
We are going through, what is this now?
Bridge. The bridge.
Stair Town. That sign there. Stair Town.
Which is in the parish of St.
Okay.
Which people seems to say that it is the largest parish in Jamaica between it and St. Catherine.
Really?
Yeah. And Kingston is not the largest, but Kingston is the most populated people in Kingston.
Babes travel all over, guys. His work take him all over.
That is one of the reasons I love it. I'm not stuck up in an office. I hear say a blow on me. I have the beautiful natural hair just blowing on me. Meet and greet several different people from all part of Jamaica with different Creole, different type of speaking. How are you been there? What can I do for you this afternoon?
That's what you love.
Yeah, man. We are unique people. Yeah. Pass a roadside and I see a man and I say, yo, where you go? Where you do? Say, cook a boat. In a plate now. Yeah, man, you get a plate of curry goat and you get a plate of curry goat. Tell me where you come from. Say, you come from Punish Town. You not afraid of them man a kill man like? This is a beautiful place, Jamaica.
Beautiful, beautiful island, Jamaica. And guys, I just have to stop and get a soursop. But here, what is my disappointment in the soursop? I wanted a ripe soursop. And you see the ripe one? It have a big old near mouth in it, you see? The bud just go down and pick it out. Woo! That truck is coming so fast. The bud just go down and pick out the soursop, you know. There's a huge hole in the soursop.
Bird have to lift in a brother.
And me I tell you, say, trust me, didn't really want the soursop here, the ripe one. That's the only ripe one he have, you know. Only ripe one he had right there. But anyways, I took a green one, so let's see if it will ripe. Because if it ripe, me I go eat it. I also have a soursop video out for you guys. Naturally juice. Beautiful Jamaica people. A land of wood and water. That's the beautiful sea. Let me zoom in. Some boatman there, they must have all fishing at the boat. And we are in traffic, passing some lovely East Indian mangoes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Who would love one of those?
These berry and sweet sap.
You saw the sweets up there?
Yeah, behind it is berry. And she said to me, said that, you know that you can buy a house and it's so cross and so mad and so on. Few people can buy a house, we can't buy a house. And she said, yes, I can buy a house. She take me to the bank requirement was so high. And me the kind of, as I said, it's just one regret. I sorry that I did me a certain as such person.
So long. This is a crab, guys. A lot of them are here. So guys, we are at the Montego Bay Park and it is clean, nice. As I tell you, we eat and we leave out of the room. Because if you stay in that place, you go just eat and get bigger and fat. So we belly well full. So we come out and come a tour. And we are in the Montego Bay Park, and me buck up daddy right here, so and he might tell me about the park, a little bit about the park still. Him say I don't know much about the park. Where you know about it now, Dad?
I don't know that it is an old hospital.
Yeah.
And from the old hospital, they want to ball it down here. Take it to be a car park until it be a lovers park.
Oh, so it was a car park before? Okay.
Now it is a lovers park.
Okay. It is a nice little park though.
Yeah, very. And then keep it clean.
Clean, yeah man, it clean man, it clean. And that may I tell my viewers, them say the park here clean. So what are some of the events that we happen over here?
Then sometimes they have dance, big show and like that.
Yeah, cause the space, see space of people.
And the beach is behind it.
And the beach, the lovely beach that we just toured a while ago with the whole heap of rocks and them something there. Yeah. Okay, so them keep show over here from time to time.
Yeah.
And a lot of white people come over here, come view it, right? Okay. Understand.
You can notice about it, but they must be about them just.
Yeah, some gone. Yeah.
Don't leave them, come and don't leave the park. They love the park.
Them not leave the park. Them love the park. I mean, the atmosphere is nice.
Yeah, yeah.
The atmosphere is nice. I can say that. Very cool. And to top it off, it is very clean. So daddy have to tell me, you know. You know, not more to tell me, my peeps, because I'm saying just start work here. And I can't put him face in the video because him saying don't want him face. So that's why you see I just point the camera on his shoulder right there to right there. Alright, my peeps, I'm out. So this is the lovely park, my peeps. Beautiful, beautiful park. Trust me, I would have come back here any day, any time. The place is so quiet and so nice, and the thing is, it is well kept. When I say well kept, yeah man, me know what I mean when I say well kept. Yeah. Overlooking the beautiful sea. Let me zoom in, let you guys see the sea behind the park. Yeah. Flowers. And you know, anywhere you have tree, the place is cool, don't? Anywhere tree is, the place is cool. Oh, wow.
This is we going towards the beach. Yeah. Now we're Jamaican color. Which tricky people in Montego Bay make them think say we are tourists. So we just give them our Jamaican talk, but them know say we're not tourists. Yeah, we're born Jamaican. Yeah.
My husband loves say that.
Yeah, I say, yeah man, where you been there? We just come man, we just a come.
Yeah.
So this is my sexy wife.
Yeah.
Man, I treat me all upon the road, I tell me say, be careful because then we take her away. So they know what I but
It is what it is.
it is what it is.
you love say that. And this is my handsome husband, watch him. Why are you behaving like that? Why are you holding out your two hands?
Just call me handsome.
Okay. Okay, so you are flaunting it. Okay. The Rastaman color.
This is a Jamaican color, but once you have the red into it, it's a Rasta.
I think they said they was going to make the red a Jamaican color or something like that one time gone. I did hear that news or something. No? Okay. You hear it before though? Heard about it before?
Nope.
Okay. I'm the first person here saying that.